how to import Excel into Microsoft List. In this video, I'll show you how to import Excel into Microsoft List. So to get started, go ahead and open Microsoft List, sign into your Microsoft account, and then in here, click on this Create New at the top left corner of your screen, and then from here go ahead and select CSV. So make sure to download your Excel file as a CSV, and then click on that CSV that you want to use, and then from here go ahead and set the column types before you click on the next button. So as you can see, all of the items that you have on your Excel file which you have downloaded as a CSV has been shown in here, and then in here you need to set the list name for this. So make sure that the list name is unique to be able to save this as a new list. And that is how you can basically import Excel into Microsoft List. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.